RCC Calapan, this is MB Precision. Do you hear me loud and clear?
MB Precision, this is RCC Calapan, change channel to 16.
RCC Calapan, this is MB Precision. Channel change to 16, over.
MB Precision, this is RCC Calapan, what is your ETA?
RCC Calapan, my ETA is 0800 hours 30 October 2023, over.
MB Precision, what is your call sign, over?
RCC Calapan, my call sign is 3 Foxtrot Delta Echo Delta 3, over.
MB Precision, what is your last port at your gross tonnage, over?
RCC Calapan, our last port, Batangas Port Terminal, and gross tonnage of 23210 MT, over.
MB Precision, do you carry dangerous cargo on board, over?
RCC Calapan, yes, we are carrying dangerous goods on board. 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3, over.
MB Precision, what dangerous good are you carrying?
RCC Calapan, our cargo is pure iron and ore, over.
MB Precision, your message is understood. You must call when you post in Berry Island is channel 116, over.
RCC Calapan, this is MB Precision. We will call you when we pass on Birthday Island at channel 16 at channel 16, over.
MB Precision, standby on channel 16, over.
RCC Calapan, we will stand by at channel 16, over and out, over.